It's summer China, and today is hot. So you can see this one is the first site of 4YZ-4S. We'll go inside to the container. So before we have some transporter who harvesters use the rural ship and there are some flat trucks. And but this country, they just can use container for shipment. You know, the 4YZ-4S, the size is bigger than the 4YZ-4L or 4F. So the container work is very difficult than Euro before. And we will take some more details like videos to show customers how to install it. And as usual, there will be SIN with the 4YZ-4F and 4L. But one big difference is the cabin. You know, this time this cabin is a closed cabin. Inside is more cleaning, but the control system and the electric system are inside of the cabin, so they have more work with the cabins. So we need to take most of the pumps, electricity parts, take them down. We will make some videos to show you how to make it. That is the one biggest difference. But if we want to use container for shipment, we need to do that. We hope in the future that the international shipping cost will be lower, so that our customers can transport them as a whole harvester without take parts down and without container transport. We hope so.
那是不是凉？会，不会。关键是当时就谁家家办，往上掉，掉了，现在俺俩拿起来。不是那个视频店贴的。
Those two will connect it in there.
你也接有毒了。这个这边的毒，这边的毒都捏。
那毒
就是你看啊，这管子进去了，然后这
对啊，
啊对。
挂起来了。这个啥东西？就电头上了这个。这些呗。是。This thing is for the main clutch, for the harvesting system. Running.
对的话，打一个纸。这边配有味儿，配有味儿捏哈，不能出来捏个有味儿挺好的。
嗯。
一个口不要紧。哎，这不是海个口啊？这个口反过去了，挂起来。
Brake system. Here you can see we have a electricity system, and here is the this one is the brake oil. This pump should be connected here. Brake oil pump. Brake system, electricity system connected here. So all the electric systems are connected. Just can connected in the red one.
设计这个，光说这个整体的显示挺好，
是费劲了。
这个线哈，就是一句话都概括了，你不会差错。
the wires should be put inside the cabin from the bottom. You see. And it should be connected with this protection system inside this second set. The air conditioner system electricity wire is from this way coming to here and connected in the left side of the cabin. From there, yes. For this big pump, when you take it down, it is the hydraulic system from this pump, from this tank. Inside here, this biggest one, it connected in the biggest connector of this system, hydraulic control system. And the mark is the first. So when you install it, please remember to put this one on. For this platform, there have 6 screws. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. Another we also have 3. So they have totally 6 screws in here. The transport system, they have 1, 2. Another way they have 2, and 5, 6. They have also totally 6 screws. Hydraulic system is same with the 4YZ-4F and L, and the transport way is same, but this time we will also take this oil tank down, because the transport system needed to be in the bottom under this heaviest body. So this one we don't have enough height, so we will take a oil tank, fuel tank out. And also the Husker system from there, up there, we will take it down. And this fan and the transport system, also this system, the fan system, cooling system, will also be taken down. And this time, this pellet will be also taken down. The connector of the air conditioning system, there have two pumps contacted, and we have marked 1 and 2. This is the freon of the air conditioning system, because we need to take this cabin down, so the freon has to be freed. When you get this harvester, you should add enough freon of the air conditioning system and the brake oil. And when you get this harvester, please check all kind of oil, fuel, and freon. Not only the fuel, the oil, and the freon, the water also has been freed. So when you get the harvester, you also need to put inside water inside. This part is for the driving clutch, and we will also take it down. You can connect it yourself. This lamp and this lamp will be taken down, and we'll put it into the cabin, because this platform will be taken out, and will be stand on the corner of the container. And also this hydraulic oil tank will be also taken down.擦呀！